Do you also want to know how I got unlimited free gems and coins in Baseball 9 for completely free? If yes, then watch this video till the end to learn exactly how to do it. So first, let's open the game and show you how many gems and coins we currently have. As you can see right now, we only have a few gems and coins in Baseball 9, but by the end of this video, we'll have unlimited gems and coins absolutely free. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use any browser and navigate to the website at bonzigame.com. Make sure to type the URL correctly. Once you're on the site, scroll down to find the Baseball 9 or search for Baseball 9. When you find it, tap on it. Now enter your username here. Make sure you enter the correct username and then click continue and wait. Next, you need to select the number of gems and coins you want. I'll choose the maximum amount. Please wait now. Next, you'll need to complete device verification. Click on the verify button. Here's what to do. Complete any 2 or 3 offers listed and carefully follow the instructions for each one. Once you complete this step correctly, the gems and coins will be added to your Baseball 9 account instantly. I'm speeding up this part to save time, but make sure you complete all offers properly. Remember, if you don't complete the verification correctly, you won't get anything, so read each offer's description carefully. Each one has different requirements. As you can see, we've completed both offers. Now let's open the game again. The game is loading. Please wait for a moment. And there you have it. As you can see, our gems and coins have started to increase. That's how you can get unlimited free gems and coins in Baseball 9. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, please comment your username below. I'll be happy to assist you.